to enable 60-second and 3-minute recording on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the plus button at the bottom. Or if you go from sound, you'll find this kind of screen as well. Now, to record 60 seconds, you will need to swipe right. After you swipe right, make sure 60-second is in the middle with white circle. After you do this, your video will be recorded for 60 seconds. And there's no one way to record 3 minutes. There is 10 minutes after 60 seconds. So while filming, you can simply stop video after 3 minutes by simply sliding the time on the right in this way. And after you have made the video, you can post it as you want. This is how to enable TikTok 60-second and 3-minute recording. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.